How to fix keyboard laptop wrong character when I click the G is number 1. When I click the letter G is show found result number 1. When I type the letter U, the result is number 4. When I click the letter K, the result is 2. How to fix that? Press the wait press the F press the F then plus numlock F11. Now I type the G. Its letter G is correct when I type the key. When I type the key, its letter K, it's correct. That's good. That's good. Now is your wrong character of keyboard is fixed. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.